Friends, welcome to this CIMCO system. I'm going to show how the CIMCO gives you the web client. Now this is my normal CIMCO system running here. This is a test machine CNC1, and you can also see the timeline like this. So it is under cycles for so and so time. It was under setup, under maintenance, and all those things. So this is a normal timeline display. Now CIMCO gives MDC information in a web client. Now let me show you the web client. So this is the web client. I have to type like this. This is a local host. The port number is 81, and I'm refreshing this. Now here you have got a dashboards. I have created 3 dashboards. One is CNC1, where I can see individual time. So this is in minutes. So in cycle is in 57 minutes. Maintenance was for 15 minutes. Setting is so and so. Now the thing is, if you want to see the downtime, live downtime on a web client, you can just click this and then you can get this information. Now if you see here, it is cycle stop and the timer is still running, and this is in inspection 9%. So all the downtimes are shown live. If you want to see all events, that means all information along with in cycle, so here also you can see this. So all the live information is available under pie chart or a bar graph, which I show you like this. So whatever information you get on this, say for example this was my timeline and this is my pie chart of that particular timeline. Similarly you can get pie chart over here like this, and this is live. The point is, the live information is available on a web client. So it is very useful that any computer which is in the network, and if you have a web client loaded, you don't need to have a CIMCO client on that particular PC. You have to just go to the browser, type this IP address. Now since I am showing on the same PC, I have put local host, otherwise you have to type it here as IP address. The port number is 81, and then this is the dashboard. So with this information you can get everything on your web client. Thank you for watching.